In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear upper control arm on a Ford Escape. It is located behind the rear wheel. After you raised and supported the vehicle safely, you need to remove your 5 3/4-inch lug nuts. And remove your wheel. Before you remove your upper control arm, you want to put a jack underneath your lower control arm. Just put a little bit of pressure on it, because once you take that upper control arm out, your suspension is going to want to drop. Your upper control arm connects to your knuckle with a 15mm bolt. You need to remove that. Once you remove your bolt, you can bend your bracket out of the way. Now you need to remove your inner control arm bolt. Your inner bolt is a T60 Torx. You need to remove that. Now you want to pry up on the upper control arm. And there it is. When installing your upper control arm, you want to install the back bolt first. Tighten that by hand. Once you start your rear bolt, you want to tap down on the front so it goes into the knuckle. And install your bolt. You want to tighten your front bolt down, just not all the way. And the same for the rear. Now raise your bottle jack so the wheel is at ride height. Now tighten those 2 bolts. Those 2 bolts get torqued down to 85 foot-pounds. Now remove your jack. Install your wheel over the wheel studs and install your lug nuts. Now tighten your lug nuts in a star pattern. You want to torque your 5 lug nuts down to 100 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.